and welcome to the Modern Day Gamer. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new Retribution event for Overwatch, and basically going to be giving some tips on how to beat it at higher levels. This run through right here is just normal so that I could get the gameplay for you guys to show you what is going on here. And in all honesty, this game mode is almost impossible to beat on Legendary. Either way, I mean, it's very, very hard, and I'm sure many people have done it, but it feels almost impossible for the group that I have been playing with. We all kind of play heroes that aren't super strong on it. As you know, I play Monkey and Genji and all that kind of stuff, and yes, Genji is part of the regular Legendary, but I'm talking the co-op survival all heroes Legendary expert. Bastion is almost a must on the mode. It makes it pretty hard to win if you don't have a Bastion, and someone who can play Bastion pretty well knows when to kind of move, how to use his ult, how to aim with them, all that kind of stuff makes it very easy. Yes, Bastion's an easy character to use, but it makes it better whenever they know how to use Bastion. Another character that I would recommend is a shield tank, specifically Orisa. Orisa's shield, while it is small, it's not going to get, it's basically an easier way to attack because she has her cooldown on her shield as opposed to Reinhardt's shield, and Reinhardt has no way to hit at long range, and that's very important, is hitting at long range. And you want to have Zenyatta for his ultimate and his Discord, which absolutely makes people get shredded by Bastion and Orisa. Whenever Bastion and Orisa focus fire, the person with the orb, people die pretty quickly. My group is working on beating Legendary together. We're trying to find that fourth piece that really works really well against the Heavy. As the Heavy is very, very big. He's got a lot of health, does a ton of damage, and he moves really slow. And he has that charge ability and all that kind of stuff. So it's very hard to try to play Legendary, and the group that I've been playing with has found that Zenyatta, Bastion, Orisa are definitely the characters that you want in this game, that you need in the game mode to kind of make everything work. And then that fourth hero can kind of be whoever. We found that Hanzo is fairly strong because of his ultimate and scatter arrow. We found that Torbjorn is also pretty strong. Moira, not so much. Secondary healer is probably not a big need because of Bastion being able to heal himself and everybody's trying to stay behind the shield. Roadhog would be good if you ran a heavier tank setup and you decided to go with Roadhog and Orisa and Zarya with a healer because of Roadhog's ultimate. But like I said, Bastion's almost a must. He shreds through the enemies pretty quickly. He makes the game mode very easy to play, very fun to play. And most of the time as Bastion, you're going to be at the top of the eliminations scoreboard or the top of the damage scoreboard, or both, just depending on what you're trying to focus on as Bastion. I found it most effective to focus on the enforcers and the specialist as Bastion, and then let your Zenyatta handle the sniper while Bastion tries to focus. Bastion and Orisa try to focus down the assassins together. The Bastion can hold it down against enforcers pretty well, and then Bastion can play pretty decently against the Heavy as long as you're able to stay behind the shield. My team right now is working on beating Legendary, like I said, but I think we're going to be able to do it here in a couple days. It just takes finding that fourth piece that's going to work for us. Obviously, you need 4 people who are competent on the hero, especially Orisa and Zenyatta, as you need people who are going to be able to hit those headshots. Bastion, just somebody, maybe maybe even somebody who's not very good at the game can play Bastion for you guys as long as they focus the right targets and know how to play the game pretty well. As for the fourth, Hanzo, like I said, is pretty good. Maybe a Widowmaker if you know somebody who's really good at Widow, somebody who can stun and get that assassin. Maybe Genji for his ultimate. I'm not sure what will work very well, but somebody will work pretty well. So if you guys figure that out, go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you guys liked this video and thought it was helpful, let me know. And if you guys want more videos like this, I will also do that. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, go ahead and leave it a like. And peace, guys.